Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if some apps icons are missing from your home screen on Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First of all, let's open the Settings application, and in Settings, let's go to Home Screen menu. Now in this menu, let's unlock Home Screen Layout. So switch this toggle to the left, and then check your home screen again. Now, if this didn't help you, go to security application on your device, then navigate down to Hidden Apps menu, open it, use your fingerprint to unlock it or your password, and see if no applications have toggle switched to the right next to them. And if some have, then switch the toggle to the left, then check your home screen once again. And if this didn't help you, then you should go to Settings, then in Settings open the Apps menu, and then in Apps find System Launcher, go to System Launcher, select Clear Data, select Clear All Data, then OK, and then just reboot your device by holding down power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe the circle down to reboot and wait until your device is restarted. And this should resolve your issue. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.